Your money is losing value every single day, and most people have no idea it's happening. While you're working hard and saving dollars, the purchasing power of that cash is quietly disappearing. But there's something that's been protecting wealth for over 5,000 years, and the elites don't want you to know about it. In the next 14 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why physical silver might be the smartest move you make this year, and why waiting could cost you everything. Before we go any further, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and staying ahead of the game, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Here at WealthWave, we cut through the noise and give you real strategies that actually work. No hype, just facts. And if you're already getting value from this, smash that like button. It helps us reach more people who need this information. All right, let's dive in. Here's something they don't teach you in school. Every dollar in your wallet is losing value right now. It's called inflation, but that's just a fancy word for theft. The government prints more money, and suddenly your hard-earned cash buys less, a lot less. In the last 3 years alone, the US dollar has lost over 15% of its purchasing power. That means if you had $10,000 saved in 2021, it now has the buying power of about $8,500. You didn't spend it. You didn't lose it. It just evaporated. And this isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Now compare that to physical silver. Since the year 2000, silver has increased in value by over 400%. While paper money was busy losing value, silver was protecting and growing wealth. But here's what most people miss. Silver isn't just an investment, it's insurance. It's a hedge against the chaos that's coming. And trust me, if you look at history, chaos always comes. Empires fall, currencies collapse, but silver survives. It always has, and it always will. Let me take you back for a second. Every major civilization in history eventually debased their currency. The Romans did it. They started mixing cheap metals into their silver coins to make more money. Within a generation, their economy collapsed. The German Weimar Republic printed so much money in the 1920s that people were using cash to heat their homes because it was cheaper than firewood. Wheelbarrows of money couldn't buy a loaf of bread. And more recently, look at Venezuela. In just a few years, their currency went from stable to completely worthless. People who had savings in cash lost everything. But the ones who held physical assets like gold and silver survived. You might be thinking this can't happen here. This is America. Are we, though? The U.S. national debt just crossed $34 trillion. That's trillion with a T. We're printing money faster than ever before. The Federal Reserve is caught in a trap. If they raise interest rates too high, the economy crashes. If they keep rates low, inflation spirals out of control. Either way, your dollars are the collateral damage. And here's the kicker. Most of your money isn't even real. It's digital. It's numbers on a screen. If the banking system has a hiccup, if there's a cyber attack, if trust collapses, your savings could vanish overnight. You can't hold digital dollars. You can't hide them. You can't trade them if the grid goes down. But physical silver is different. You can hold it in your hand. It's real. It's tangible. It doesn't depend on a bank. It doesn't depend on the government. It doesn't depend on the internet. It's yours, completely. And that's power. That's security. That's wealth you control. This is exactly what we talk about here at WealthWave. Real assets, real protection, real wealth building strategies that stand the test of time. Now let's talk about something most people don't understand. The difference between currency and money. Currency is what we use every day. Dollars, euros, yen. It's a medium of exchange. But currency has no intrinsic value. It's just paper backed by trust. And when that trust breaks, the currency is worthless. Money is different. Real money has intrinsic value. It's been used for thousands of years. Gold and silver are money. They've been accepted across every culture, every continent, every century, because they're rare, durable, divisible, and can't be printed by a government. Silver has unique properties that make it even more valuable than most people realize. It's the best conductor of electricity on the planet. It's used in solar panels, electronics, medical equipment, and water purification. The demand for silver is exploding because of the green energy revolution. Every electric vehicle uses large amounts of silver. Every solar panel uses it too. Industrial demand is skyrocketing, but silver is being consumed faster than it's being mined. We're heading toward a supply crunch. And when supply goes down while demand goes up, prices explode. This is basic economics. Right now, silver is incredibly undervalued compared to gold. Historically, the gold to silver ratio was around 15-1. Today, it's over 80-1. That makes silver cheap by historical standards. Smart investors call this a buying opportunity. Most people are too busy chasing stocks, crypto, and trends. They're missing the quiet accumulation phase. That's where real wealth is built. Think back to 2008. Banks collapsed. Markets crashed. Panic was everywhere. If your money was in stocks, you suffered. But silver holders thrived. Silver went from $9 an ounce to nearly $50. That's over 400% in 3 years. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And right now, the setup looks familiar. Physical silver can't be hacked. It can't be frozen. It can't be digitally erased. In a world of surveillance and control, Silver is freedom. It's private. It's portable. It's universally recognized. You can trade it anywhere. Try doing that with digital money when systems fail. Gold is great, but it's expensive. 1 ounce costs thousands of dollars. Silver is affordable. Almost anyone can start. You can buy 1 ounce at a time. Build slowly, build consistently. That's how real wealth grows. Small actions over time. Take $50 a week. Buy silver. In a year, you own real assets. And if silver rises, your purchasing power rises with it. But you must start now, not later. Not when the panic starts. Smart money moves early. The masses move too late. Central banks are buying metals. Billionaires are shifting into hard assets. They see what's coming. The question is, do you? If you're still watching, comment below. Do you own silver yet? Or are you planning to start? Share this video with someone who needs it. Silver doesn't pay dividends, but neither does cash. Cash loses value. Silver holds it. And during crises, silver rises. Storage is simple. Home safes, private vaults, or hidden locations. The point is control. You decide. No permission needed. Silver is also barter money. In a crisis, it becomes currency. You can't trade stocks for food, but you can trade silver. Imagine 5 years from now, inflation is rampant, prices are insane, but you prepared. You stacked silver early. You have options. You have security. You have peace of mind. That's what preparation looks like. This isn't fear, it's logic. Diversification is survival. Physical silver is insurance, and insurance matters. Buying silver is easy. Online dealers, local shops, reputable sources only. Stick to pure silver, not collectibles. Start small, hold it, feel it, understand its power, then keep going. Build the habit. Wealth Wave is here to educate, not sell. Knowledge is power. Physical silver is a tool, a powerful one. What's your plan if the system fails? Hope or preparation? Silver is part of a real plan. Comment what's stopping you. Fear, confusion, or timing. Write it down. I'll respond. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Wealth Wave community. Stay informed. Stay prepared. Paper money is control. Silver is freedom. One is a promise. The other is real. The signs are everywhere. The clock is ticking. This is your wake-up call. What are you going to do with it?